Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you enjoy my content. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install an LED cabin light in your car. So you're going to turn this light, this old incandescent halogen bulb that has like a yellow light to it, to turn it looking from this to this. And it's super simple. You really don't need hardly any tools at all, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need. So let's get into it. Alright, so first things you're going to need are the LED bulb itself. This is a Sylvania one. It's really cheap. I'll leave a link to this in the description, and you're going to need a little tool to like help pry off the cover of the light. If you have a 5th gen Maxima, this bulb will fit exactly fine, hopefully. We're gonna see. But just make sure that you look up a bulb chart for your cabin light and just all your lights in your car. This is a DE3175 bulb. It's pretty generic, like most cabin lights in cars use these, at least like Japanese ones that find it a joy to make things difficult and put a bunch of complicated bulbs in there. But just make sure that you know a lot of stuff about your car, like all the bulb chart sizes, your wheel dimensions, everything. Just do a Google search and just find out like all the specs about your car before you start modifying it, because that helps a whole lot to have information like that saved on your computer before you start buying parts. So see, we're gonna just go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna show you guys. Cabin light is right there. What you're going to do is you're just going to pry off the cover however you find to do it. Mine has a little bitty indentation right there. You're not going to be able to see it, but I'm just going to pop this off. And yeah. Okay guys, so you can see here, let me get close up. So right there's the bulb. That's what we're going to be replacing. So you're just going to press this prong right here, and that will release the bulb. It's held in like on either side, and you're just going to pop it out just like that. Okay, so for this, polarity should not matter at all, so you're just going to slip this in there, and just like that, you're just going to push it on up to get it into place, and that should be it. Right there, you heard it click. So it's in, and I don't really know if this direction matters at all, like in terms of this white channeling. I'm just gonna point it down like this to where I think the LED chip is. I think it's right there, so we're just gonna point it down, and that should be good. So there's a closer look at it, guys. I just have the LED chip pointing straight down, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover back on, and let's see how it looks. Alright, cover's back on. I'm going to turn on the lights and I'm going to see how it looks. Oh yeah, that looks way better. So much better. Nice and bright. Yeah, that's definitely a whole lot better. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap up the video here. That is exactly how you change your old incandescent cabin light bulb to a new LED one that looks really nice. I definitely like the look of this, and it's really going to change the appearance of your car a lot. And I recommend this for anyone who is starting to mod their car. Lighting is one of the easiest mods and most like satisfying to do, and they're really cheap. So make sure you get your bulb specs and you do it, and don't be afraid to mess around, because it definitely changes the whole look of the car. If you noticed, I have LED door lights. Those are the exact same process. They work great. You can do these on any sort of interior lights. I have my LED trunk light, and I'm just working on replacing all different parts of my car's lighting and just changing it out for LED, because it's just so much brighter and it lasts longer and stuff. So Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to drop a like. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing and turning on post notifications so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.